Hello guys, I'll show you how to fix the food disposer. It was clogged, so how to fix it? You should need this one, jam buster wrench. You can buy in the Walmart, Lowe's, or Home Depot. It's just like $10. Okay, I'll show you how. These tools. Use these tools. Then have it under here. Okay, I'll show you how. Remove those things. Okay, this one, you see this? You put under on that, this dispenser, and then these tools make it counterclockwise to loosen all the foods so the water can go. Okay, so tight, so it's clogged. And now it's become loosened. The clogs. Now it's good now. So we're gonna try it. So it was clogged. Put some water on it. Try it. Oh, it's working. Wow. What? Okay guys, only you need these tools. You can buy from Lowe's, Walmart, and Home Depot. It's only $10. Yeah. So I hope you guys can help you how to fix the food waste disposal. Okay. Bye bye.